Hey there, future YouTube star. Are you dreaming of starting a YouTube channel but don't know where to begin? Or maybe you're wondering how to actually make money from it? Well, in this video, I'll show you step by step how to use ChatGPT, your AI assistant, to create and grow a money-making YouTube channel, even if you're just starting out. Let's get right into it. Remember to give this video a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's go. All right, so now I'm going to take you through this. Like you just saw here now, I just put this text into ChatGPT and you can see what it gave us here. Here's how ChatGPT can help you make money on YouTube using your smartphone. Now, before we come back to this, let me take you through the steps you have to go through. Step 1, choose a niche. Yes, ChatGPT makes this super easy. Here I'll type what are the possible profitable YouTube niches in 2024, and then let's look at that. I'm going to start afresh. Let's tap here. Okay, good. Let me type. Let's go. So I'm going to type next. Submit rather. Look at that. Look at that. Just look at that. Instantly, it suggests niches like you have here finance and investments. He has tech reviews and tutorials. He has health, fitness, and wellness. He has AI and automation tools. And he has gaming and esports. And he's still typing. Self-improvement and education. Wow. Travel and lifestyle. Wow. He's still typing. Sustainable living and eco-friendly solutions. Wow. Content creation and side hustles. Wow. He's still typing. Still typing. DIY and how-to videos. Still typing. Web3 and blockchain technology. Still typing. Still typing. Parenting and family lifestyle. Family life. Still typing. Still typing. It's still typing. Oh, come on. Good. Beautiful. See, just one question and ChatGPT has given us 12 solid YouTube niche ideas. So you can choose from any of these 12 niches. Let me go over it again for you so that you understand what I mean. Just let's scroll through. It was a simple question. What are the most profitable YouTube niches for or in 2025? 2025 is around the corner and you want to really get started on the right footing. Finance and investment is a niche. So, and you see the question here, why people always seek ways to manage money better, invest and generate passive income, content ideas, personal finance tips, stock market, forex and crypto trading strategies, world building tutorials, Web3 and DeFi topics can stand out here. Tech reviews and tutorials, why technology evolves rapidly with AI, AR, Web3, and smart devices driving innovation, content ideas, product reviews, smartphones, laptops, and gaming setups, tutorials on emerging technologies like AI tools or Web3 platforms, comparisons of new gadgets or software, health, fitness, and wellness. This is really amazing. So you know what? This prompt I've put here and all these ideas here, you know what I'm going to do? I am going to release it to you free of charge. So I will put a link here to my Google Drive. You don't need to give me your email address. All you just need is to just click on the Google Drive link in the description and you go and download it. You can then use it and turn it to your own. Just use it and explore. All right, let's continue. Next is, now that you have gotten some YouTube niche ideas, what we're going to be doing right now is we are going to niche deeper, as in we are going to dig a little deeper into scripting. Right now, you want to start a YouTube channel, okay? So we'll pick one of them. We'll just pick one of the niches now, right? So that we can allow ChatGPT to do the work. You see what they have just done already? Good. So I'm going to just take it a step further, and where we are going to look at, okay, let's pick one niche first. Which niche should you pick? Okay, you know that gaming and clicker games are in vogue right now. I'm going to use that. We're going to ask ChatGPT right now to suggest YouTube video ideas for gaming and esports. All right, let's go. Let me type it now.
So let's ask that question.
Suggest
Thank you. Content creators.
let's go. Let's ask it to give us the ideas. Let's see. Okay, so it's bringing them up. Here are YouTube gaming and esports content ideas tailored for beginner creators looking to grow their channel. Game tutorials and beginner guides help new players learn the basics of popular games like Fortnite, Valorant, League of Legends, and Minecraft. Example: top 10 beginner tips for games like you mentioned the name of the game. Let's Play series. Then you have top moments and highlights, game reviews and first impressions, challenge videos, reaction videos, esports commentary, game modes and customizations, speed drums, comparison videos, gaming gear reviews, live streaming highlights, community challenges, in-game lore exploration, gaming tips for beginners, co-op or multiplayer collabs, free games to try, esports updates and news, behind the scenes of gaming, game updates, and see 20 ideas. Oh yeah, and still right. Oh, come on. This is awesome. This is awesome. Now, with what we just done here now, I'm going to allow you to go ahead and practice what I just said. Replay this video, right? And repeat what I've just done, choosing your niche, and let me know in the comments what you were able to get. In the next video, I'm going to go even deeper into this because by the time you follow this series to the end, I'm sure you will launch your YouTube channel ready for 2025 to conquer the content creation space on YouTube. If you got value from this video already, give this video a like, comment, share this video, subscribe, and smash the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop the next important video for you. From me to you, here is so much love. Congratulations. Yeah, congratulations. Yes, congrats. All right. I want to say see you in my next video. Thank you and God bless you.